Hey, fellow science enthusiasts. Ever dreamt of breaking the laws of physics? Well, today, we're going to bend reality with the mind-blowing wonders of space science. Buckle up. First up, let's talk about black holes. These cosmic vacuum cleaners warp space-time itself. Now, imagine if you could harness that power. Who needs a car when you can ride gravitational waves to work? Now, antimatter. It's the Superman of particle physics. Meet its alter ego, antimatter propulsion. Scientist, with this baby, you could reach the stars in no time. Warp speed, engage. And finally, the piece de resistance, wormholes. These cosmic shortcuts could defy the laws of space and time. Forget walking. Just take a stroll through the fabric of the universe. So there you have it, breaking the laws of physics with a little help from the wonders of space. Who said science can't be fun? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep breaking those boundaries.